Get to know Mikodam luxury feature walls and ceilings better. Mikodam acoustic panels, with their enticing forms and material palette, offer abundant and sophisticated inspiration to their users. The panels are customizable indoor architectural products with fast and safe assembly, as well as environmental and sustainable. Mikodam currently offers 15 different lines that are standardized and engineered in one specification, as well as 2 lines with parametric designs. The standard lines are bisa, deta, fila, cara, cosa, leda, neka, pira, rona, sapa, sona, tora, vata, vero, and zeta. Each line adopts a different style, from modern to timeless, elegant to gallant. Each has its own statement, offering the users a strong stand when expressing themselves. All 15 lines come in 47.4 by 23.62 inch, 120 by 60 centimeter sizes. Bisa, pira, neka, and zeta also come in 23.62 by 23.62 inch, 60 by 60 centimeter sizes to provide their users with further creative options, while cosa, along with these 2 standard sizes, also has 6 other size options. All these styles can be mixed and matched with each other, offering the possibility of hundreds of combinations to achieve the look of your dreams. Mikodam panels are easily applied to the wall by mounting onto a rail system, while being also applicable to ceilings. The fasteners on the back of the panels can easily be rotated, allowing the panels to turn 90, 180, and 270 degrees. This way, different patterns can be created with each line. All 15 lines use the same railing system, which means they can all be used with one another. Through rotations, material combinations, and using different lines together, each user can create unique designs. This way, Mikodam presents the quality of custom designs with the ease of a boxed and ready-to-use product. The easy installation further offers its users the option to switch between different designs. Geta and Haza are Mikodam's parametric panel lines. While they are available as ready-made module panels, they are also available for custom production. They are applicable to any designed interior skin, since the parameters of the production can be adapted to your designs. Geta can also be used to cover surfaces other than walls or ceilings to create alluring furniture pieces. The same goes for Haza, resulting in solid wood sculpture-like furniture or building elements. Be sure to check out the spec sheets that can be found on the download section of Mikodam's webpage for a closer look at each panel. From creating dashing concepts to remodeling, to improving acoustics, Mikodam is the answer. Indulge your interiors with Mikodam luxury feature panels.